Overusage in manufacturing refers to the unnecessary consumption of materials, energy, time, or resources beyond what is required for producing a product or service. Overusage can lead to inefficiencies, increased costs, and reduced profitability. The concept of overusage reduction focuses on optimizing processes to minimize waste, lower operational costs, and maximize resource utilization. Overusage reduction is crucial for several reasons. Cost savings. Reducing excess consumption of materials, labor, and energy directly lowers operational costs. Environmental impact. Minimizing waste helps reduce the environmental footprint of manufacturing activities. Improved efficiency. Streamlined processes mean less downtime, higher throughput, and better overall productivity. Competitive advantage. Manufacturers who reduce overusage can offer more competitive pricing while maintaining quality standards. Sustainability. Overusage reduction supports sustainability initiatives, improving long-term operational viability. Overusage reduction can be achieved through a variety of strategies. Process optimization. Analyze production workflows to identify and eliminate bottlenecks or inefficient practices. Just-in-time production ensures that materials and resources are only consumed when needed, reducing overproduction and waste. Implementing automated systems can reduce the need for manual labor, lower error rates, and prevent resource overuse. Employee training ensures that operators are aware of efficient techniques and understand how their actions impact overall resource use. Effective inventory management prevents overstocking and minimizes material wastage. Upgrade to energy-efficient equipment, monitor energy usage patterns, and implement practices like turning off machines when not in use. Conduct regular quality inspections to identify areas where resources are being used inefficiently and take corrective actions. Overusage reduction involves multiple stakeholders within the manufacturing environment. The primary responsibility lies with production managers, oversee the implementation of efficient production processes. Process engineers, analyze and optimize workflows to minimize resource waste. Operators and technicians, ensure machines and tools are used correctly and efficiently. Quality control teams, monitor for inefficiencies in production that contribute to overusage. Supply chain managers, ensure material availability aligns with demand, avoiding overstock and waste. Overusage should be continuously monitored, but particularly during the following scenarios: new product launches. Introducing new products may cause miscalculations in resource usage. Process changes. Any alterations in production methods should come with overusage reduction strategies. Annual reviews or audits. Periodic reviews of material use, machine efficiency, and labor costs should incorporate overusage reduction goals. Performance drop or increased costs. If there is a sudden rise in costs or a drop in quality, overusage may be a contributing factor. Overusage reduction should be applied across various points in the manufacturing process, including production lines. Identify areas where resources are used inefficiently. Material handling. Minimize material waste during the receiving, storing, and processing phases. Maintenance. Ensure that machinery is maintained to avoid overuse or inefficient operation. Energy usage. Identify energy-intensive processes that could be optimized or replaced with energy-efficient alternatives. Packaging. Use only the required amount of packaging material, reducing excess waste. In conclusion, overusage reduction is essential for enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and ensuring sustainability in manufacturing operations. By targeting inefficiencies across raw material use, machine operation, labor hours, and energy consumption, manufacturers can achieve better resource management and improve overall profitability. Through a combination of continuous monitoring, process optimization, employee engagement, and advanced technologies, manufacturers can significantly reduce overusage and maintain a competitive edge in the market. Please like, subscribe, and send us a comment if you would like to add value to the channel or become part of the OPIX Coach ecosystem.